Number 2, the radii of two circles are 8 and 6. Here again, like previous question, we are given two circles and we are given radii for both. One is 8 and another is 6. So let us suppose 6 is the radius for first circle and for second it is 8. Now we need to find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of areas of two given circles. So what we are given here, that we need to find the radius for third circle. Suppose here I am marking this is the radius for third circle. Now I want to find the radius for third circle, and what is given here, that the third circle is having same area as it is the sum of first and second. So what we will be doing, we will be adding the area of first circle then to the area of second circle, and we will be equating both with the area of third circle. Okay, so first let us see that what is the area of a circle. We know the formula for area of a circle is pi r square. We have three circles. Let us suppose that area of first circle is equal to pi. Now as I am having all different radii, so I will mark first circle for radius r1. For second it is r2. Let us suppose for third it is r3. That means I can write here area of first circle as pi r1 square. For second circle area will be pi r2 square. And for third circle it will be pi r3 square. So formula is same, but I am replacing r by r1, r2 and r3. Here only I have written the formula, and from here my question has started. Now let us see what is given according to question. Now according to question we are given that area of first circle plus area of second circle, that is given equal to sum of both is given to area of third circle. That means I am considering area of first circle and I am adding second circle's area in it. Here it is written the bigger circle for which we are going to find radius, that is having area equal to, bigger circle is having area is equal to the sum of areas of two circles. That means this area is equal to sum of two given circles areas. So I have written here area of first, second equal to the third one which is needed. So I can replace here the values, that is for first circle it is pi r1 square, and for second circle it is pi r2 square, and for third circle it is pi r3 square. Okay, if I take pi common from these two, I am left with r1 square plus r2 square within the bracket, and on other side I have pi r3 square. Now I can cancel pi on both the sides. Now what is left here? r1 square plus r2 square. I know what is the value for r1, it is 6, and I know what is the value for r2, it is 8. So I can replace here r1 as 6 square and r2 as 8 square, and that should be equal to third radius square. Okay, so if I take this square, it is 36, it is 64. That should be equal to r3 square, and it is 100. That means 100 is the third radius square. Okay, here I can write again r3 square is equal to 100. Now I can take root and it will be r3 is plus minus 10. As you know that distance is always positive, so I will consider third radius as 10. Now my question is in centimeters, so I will write cm with the radius. So here what we have done, we are given that two circles are having radii 8 and 6. So I have drawn two circles with radius 6 and 8, and third circle for which I need radius, that is having area equal to the sum of areas of both circles. So I have drawn a bigger circle whose area is equal to the area of two circles when I am taking their sum. So sum of two areas or two circles areas is equal to the area of third circle. So I have written R1 for first, R2 for second, and R3 for third. Now I know what is the formula for area of circle, that is pi r square. Now for first circle I can write pi r1, for second I can write r2, and for third I can write r3 square. Now according to question, if I go, I am given area of first plus area of second is equal to area of third. So I can replace the value of area of third, second and first from here. When I have replaced, I have got that pi is common in first two. So I have taken pi common, I have cancelled it. Then I have replaced R1 and R2 value, and I have got that R1 square plus R2 square is 100, which can be written as 10 square. And when I take R3 I take root, I get plus minus 10. And as distance can never be negative, it is a radius, so I need circle, so it cannot be negative. So I will be taking plus 10 as radius. Thank you.